Alright, how to properly operate the rear lift on a band truck. First, we want to retrieve our cones and our gloves out of our storage box. We want to start by placing our cones 10 feet from the rear of the truck. We will come up and turn on our battery switch to activate the rear lift. Once we've activated our battery switch, we want to lower our lift until our red arrows line up. Once our red arrows line up, we want to unfold the lift by pressing the open button. Once the lift is open, we can lower it to the ground. Now we can come around and stand on our platform. We want to put pressure on our platform to hold it down while we unlock the safety latches. On both sides. We can get off of our platform. Grab our handle to lift the platform. Once the platform is up, we want to gently lay it down and get on. We can bump our ramp out with our feet. Once it's unlatched, we can open it and lay it over. Once we have our lift completely open, we can load our assets on the lift. We want to make sure our heaviest part of whatever we're loading is on the main lift and not the outer swing gates. Once we have loaded our load on the lift, we can raise it to floor level to unload. The lift automatically stops at floor level, so you can't go too high. We can load and unload from here and then lower it back to the ground as needed. We do not want students to ride the lift up and down. No one should be on the lift as it's being operated. Once we're done and we're ready to fold our lift back up, we want to lift the ramp and make sure it slides down in the slides. We can lower it down, and we want to lock it in place by gently bumping it in. We can fold our midsection, make sure to use the handle so it doesn't fall. Once it's down, we can get on it and relatch our safety locks. Now we're ready to raise our lift and line up the arrows so we can fold the lift up. Once our arrows are lined up, we can fold the lift. When the lift stops, now we're ready to raise the lift all the way to the top to store it. Now we're ready to turn off our battery kill switch. Once we're done with everything, turn off the switch and we're ready to travel.